Nev, after Tuesday's disappointment, how pleased are you the team bounced back with an impressive win?
Over the moon, Stephen. As you say, a lot of character. Like that performance, had everything. Guts, character. Good football, good goals. Defended when we needed to. The amount of eyeballs we've had to defend second half was unbelievable. So players take a lot of credit. They deserve. Can say a massive 3 points and fully deserved because we come under some barrage there second half and we had to get out of it and the players found a way to win it.
Good first half, 1-0 up, half time. Second half, when you conceded, was there nerves?
Well, obviously, we changed it round a bit. Bala were throwing men forward and put more balls in the box. So, we decided to change it and we made a couple of substitutions and I think they worked. I think they got us playing again, and Rio done really well when he went on. And as you say, we've gone on and Ashuan scored the winner, a full goal he fully deserved. I thought he was man of the match. And he deserved his goal at the end, and as you say, when they got the penalty, you think it was going to be nervous 4 or 5 minutes to finish with, but the players managed to see it out up in the corner, and it's a huge result for us. That we go into a tough run of games now in October, and we can look forward to it with 9 points on the board. That's Bala will be a top 4 side, and as you say, we class them as bonus points if you can. And we've been beat 3 times by the top team, so it's nice to get a win there, and we'll prepare properly for Carmarthen now. We know it'll be just as tough down there next week, but there's a lot of confidence and fire in their bellies in that dressing room, and it showed tonight because I think we deserved the victory.